Alright, y'all, I am working on a home project. This is my basement. As you can see, there's stairs. It's a ranch in the basement. And this house was built in the 60s. So, see the vinyl. There's baby. This is the washer dryer area. Over here is the bedroom. So when I moved here, the walls weren't this color. The carpet is new. The paint is new as well. The window treatments are new. And this wall that you see right here, it was not there, okay? This was all built maybe about 1.5 years ago. See that? Like, use your imagination to build out what you want. And there's baby again, hanging up. He doesn't want to come down all the way, but he likes to watch me and make sure I'm okay when I'm in the basement. He might come down a little bit later. You want to play with mommy? But mommy's trying to get some work done, no. Mommy's trying to get some work done, okay? He has his cute little jacket on. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Don't fall, baby. Here, come here. Come here. You don't want to come? Okay, I'll leave right there. I think he's scared of heights. All right. So this is the area where, of course, you see the HVAC, right? The HVAC system. And this is what the floors look like. This looks like cement. We got a door here already. It's very unfinished looking. Cement walls, blue walls, things hanging from the ceiling. This is where I'll be building the bathrooms. I'm gonna put 2 bathrooms down here. And I purchased this from Lowe's. This is an A.O. Smith 50-gallon gas water heater. It's bigger than this one right there, which is pretty bad. It's leaking. This was all original to the house when I moved here. So, time for an upgrade. I hate that sometimes when I'm running water, it doesn't get super hot. Like, I like my water really hot, you know? But anyways, so the length from this end to this end is about 14 feet. And like I said, it's gonna be 2 bathrooms. So I'm gonna split that down the middle. And I'm gonna add in some pictures that I use with my iPad to kind of draw out my design of how I want everything laid out. Right here, this wall goes to that bedroom I showed you earlier. And my plans is to cut this area like right here. Cut it out and add a space in on the other side where whoever's coming in from the bedroom will come into the bathroom, and they'll come in via a barn door. I just love barn doors. I saw it at this house one time I was looking at, and I was like, man, this is beautiful. Oh, we have company. Baby, you decided to come down. I may get some more quotes from a framer because the quote that I got is pretty high. I don't know if that's even like good for comparisons, but I'll check it out. All right, so this area I plan to block off. So put a wall or a door here, from like over here all the way to that frame near the door. Block that laundry area off. Cause you know, I want to make this like into its own little separate living space. Now this right here is my other side of my basement. It's really junky, y'all. Like, literally since I moved in, I've been coming down here throwing stuff out of boxes and bags, and that's why it looks a hot mess. But I'll get it together. I say, you know what? One thing at a time. But there's not much lighting down here, as you can see. This is like an open little area for the storage room. And whoever lived here before, you could tell that they were like a craftsman. So, yeah. But, so yeah. So that is that for this area. I want to have like a sink right there, a refrigerator there, microwave, stove, countertop in between, and get that all nicely lined up. So of course this will have to be framed with the finished wall before I can even do all that. But that is the plan. And I don't know what to do yet about these ceilings. So if y'all have any words of advice, please let me know. I do need to add more lighting. I'm thinking recessed lighting, something that's kind of cost effective as well. And so for the second bathroom on this side, I definitely want to put probably another barn door somewhere over here, like maybe over there, and then have like this area right here to be cut out and made into a door. Where there are 3 big trucks here working on my property. American Water Services. Okay, the work will be starting soon. So that's before. These are the 2 shower pins. These are the piping. Oh, is that the drill for the cement?
Yes.
Oh.
We're going to break concrete with that.
Oh, nice. That's gonna be loud. And what is that?
That's the sewer tank. So basically, we're going to drill a big hole in the ground. We're going to put that tank inside, and inside this tank, it's gonna be the sewage injector pump.
Oh, so that whole thing is gonna be underground.
Correct.
So let me ask you this: whenever there's a problem with the sewer ejector tank, does that have to be taken back out the ground?
No.
No.
This one will be inside of the house because it's a.
Alright. So my shower pan is out the box. I had that delivered from Lowe's. This is the new water heater. Did the guy tell you about the placement for measurements?
Yeah, the guy said he will come back to get your measurements. He was the measurements for the bathroom, so that's why he didn't send you a call. He's coming tomorrow, and he'll send you a call as soon as.
He had already gotten the measurements for the bathroom.
For the bathroom?
Yeah, he said he was gonna send me the code and never sent it. That's why.
No, he said he never take them. He said that you sent him a picture how you want everything, but he has to make a measurement between the ceiling and the floor, measurements from every single wall, seat. This is 4 inches.
Yeah.
Where the frame will go. This is 4 inches.
Big water heater.
So then, from this lane, I'm gonna measure 8 feet, and I'll do another lane over there, right?
Okay.
So we're gonna have 8 feet between. So he can put the frame outside, right?
Okay.
Then would be.
Okay.
And where are we gonna open the door? I mean, are we gonna put the door from this side?
I think that would make sense, yeah. Because that saves space. Because if the vanity is gonna be over there, then it needs to open this way.
This way, right? Or
Yeah.
this way?
Drilling takes a lot of work. Cool. That's a big hole over there.
Yeah, as I told you, we gotta put that tank.
That
all
big
the way
tank
down.
all the way in there. Woo! That's a lot. And he's just kind of putting the 2x4 down for the layout of the bathroom. I'm just coming down V-logging sections because there's so much work that has to be done. So this right here is the new PVC piping right there for the setup for the kitchen. So they're gonna basically pipe out from there. And then this pipe up here, I don't know if you guys can see it. See that little area right there? It's leaking. So yet another unexpected fee, but it's gotta be done. You know, I don't want my basement to flood just because of some messed up pipes. And then I was told that these are CPVC pipes, which are not the best to use. So instead, it needs to be replaced with PEX, which that's not in my budget. So that might have to be done later. And these are what the PEX and PVC pipes look like. And so we're on our way. We are on our way. Hopefully no more surprises pop up.
See those pipes?
Yeah.
Your sewer pump will come right here. This is the discharge of the pump. It goes right there.
Okay.
I'll connect the pump for this pipe and it will go away in the septic.
Oh.
Just reconnect everything in your sewer line.
Oh.
Those are the pipes that I cut from your shower.
That looks oh my god, do y'all see that? Sludge.
Yep.
That's oil and all that in
it's
there?
all of your pipes. Those pipes are like 60, 70 years old.
Yeah.
So before you close your basement,
Yeah.
don't do a double work. Replace all of this. This is my suggestion before you do everything.
Because the guy was telling me like these up here are PVC pipes. And would that be part of the process of repiping too with the cast iron?
Yeah, the CPVC pipes.
Yeah.
If we have to repipe your house, we're gonna install PEX.
Yeah.
The cast iron, we're gonna install PVC.
PVC
So
for
this is
cast
the new
iron.
one. So
Okay.
the cast iron gotta be replaced with PVC. How we replace that?
Yeah.
This section was cast iron, remember?
Yeah.
So we put the PVC.
Okay.
But we
So this is just an update of the basement. My stove has arrived. I've covered it with plastic so the dust won't get on there. There's a lot of dirt and dust everywhere. The new plumbing area for the kitchen is all piped up to the wall and up. So this will be for the sink. All of this, whew, looks a mess. So yeah. Cool. That's all wired now for the kitchen. Yay! Now I just need a water line for the refrigerator area. Ooh-wee. Look at all that. Oh, that's a lot of dirt. I'm hungry. Oh, he spit on it. This is a lot. Wow. Whoa, look at that, y'all. That's amazing. All getting nice and yeah. The door's open.
Yeah, you should know.
I know. The water we still can't turn on, right?
Water is. I think how it's off.
don't push anything.
That's, I just.
Check stop off, stop
I
off, check
cannot
off.
hear you. Say that again.
Sewage pump, tank. This is a vent pipe. This is a discharge pipe.
Okay.
This is a check valve. This is a stop valve.
Okay.
This is a power outlet.
Okay.
This
Probably
is
not.
for your vanity. Your vanity drain.
Vanity? Uh-huh.
When they put the vanity back, they can hook up the drain here, and we're gonna expose two valves, cut and cold for the vanity.
Okay.
This is the toilet. So when you put the floor,
Okay.
the toilet will go on the top.
Okay.
It's ready for hookup. We're gonna put a pipe right now. We're gonna pull a pipe for the toilets. It's gonna have a shuttle valve, so we can install after that toilet. This is a drain for the shower pan. Your shower will be right here.
Right.
The other shower right here. Again. So once they finish with the floor, cut it out. And just set up the pan on the top.
Okay.
Toilet. Again. You have a flange right
Yep.
here, and this for the vanity. You're gonna have a wall here. How I told you. So they're gonna build a frame for you.
Why is that one taller than that one?
It doesn't really matter. This one has a vent on the top. Дальше пойдет, но не могу говорить.
I don't get it.
Okay. Okay, so the most important thing is this height, not this. This is a vent because this is the farther fixture
Oh.
from the system. So we have to have a studer vent.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay.
The other one doesn't have a vent on the top
Okay.
because it's not needed.
So when is